Hi there! In this Selenium ToolBox tutorial, I assume that you already followed my previous video from Selenium ToolBox channel, and you already have a working test environment with Firefox, FireBug and FirePath. If this is not the case, please visit my previous video and follow the instructions from there. You will find all the links in the description. So, let's start. Open the Firefox browser and let's navigate to google.com. There are a couple of methods that you can use to invoke FireBug. We will discuss about them one by one, and you can choose which one you like the most and you can start using it. First method. Click on the FireBug icon on the top right corner of your page. In the bottom down of your page, the FireBug Developer Tools will open. What is important here, from the Selenium purposes, is that we can discover the entire HTML structure of the web page, from which we can identify all the web elements from the page by rolling the mouser over the HTML tag. And the FirePath tab, that is exactly the FirePath add-on that we installed in the previous video. Second method. Press F12 to your keyboard when the Firefox browser is active. The same FireBug Developer Tools will open and we can start using it. So let's identify a locator. A locator is an address that uniquely identifies a web element within the web page and helps Selenium to perform actions on. Click the FirePath tab. Click the Inspect button. Move the mouse pointer to any web element you want to inspect on this page. A blue border will appear around the selected element. Click the web element. FireBug will now show the detailed HTML code for the selected element and its position in the web DOM. And in the FirePath tab, you will see the relative XPath of the selected web element. You can directly copy this XPath from here and paste it in the Selenium, where you want to find web elements based on their XPath. Now, another easier method to discover the relative XPath of any web element from the page is like this. Move the mouse pointer to any web element that you want to inspect from the page. Let's say this one. Right-click on the element and select the option Inspect with FirePath. Again, the relative XPath of the selected element will be shown in the FirePath tab, and the blue pointed line will highlight the selected element. Copy this XPath and use it as it is in your test. I think this is the general knowledge that we need to know when using FireBug and FirePath. More about these tools we will discover while advancing in this topic. If you like this tutorial, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. The next video from the Selenium ToolBox channel will be about setting up Chrome driver and running the first test.